nag-aalangan ako sabihin ngayon dahil para sinabi na rin natin sa mga baka may masamang bala kung ano yung weaknesses. Pinoint out ko na lang sa PPA yung mga nahanap natin dapat i-improve. So, dahil medyo pati rin yung attitude. Nung sa naka, kung may mga nakita kayong problema dito 2 months ago, medyo nandito na tayo sa Holy Week, wala pa kumikilos at di ako nagawa. So, pinapasabit ko sa kanila na kailangan mamungkahin kung ano kakailanganin para maitaas yung antas na alidad na serbisyo natin sa taong bayan. So, hinihintay natin yan at action na natin agad. Pero inulit ko na sa kanila, more than anything, kayo nakatalaga dito, nakikita nyo ito araw-araw, dapat bago tayo dumating doon sa punto na yung lahat ng systems ayos na. So, kailangan ko pa sabihin sa inyo yung dapat gawin. So, pag pinaalala ko rin, kayo nakatalaga dito, kayo may responsibilidad. Kung may mangyari dahil hindi nyo ginawa yung dapat gawin, pasensyahan tayo.
Pero Holy Week plans na lang po ninyo?
Well, gaya yung mga kapatid ko, bisita iglesia, kung ano mga simbahan na hindi ko pa alam. Pinaubaya ka doon sa nakakatanda sa atin. As, syempre may family time rin doon, perhaps may Easter Sunday. Pero other than that, marami pag-aaralan na may homework in effect.
Sir, will you declare a military ceasefire with the rebels?
There is no proposal yet coming from the AFP or the PNP. There were so many other matters that had to be dealt with today. That's a good point. We'll check with them. I met with Chief of Staff in the SND, I think it was yesterday. They didn't bring it up. Okay?
Okay, last question.
Yung sinabi ni Archbishop Oscar Cruz na better mag-stay single ka lang daw.
I'm sorry, no, I didn't see it. I didn't see his answer. I didn't hear it. I don't know what the context was. Mayroon naman mag-komentaryo, baka I'll take it out of context. But I'd like to think that as a bishop, no, as a priest, as a Catholic, he starts out from a Christian orientation on that basis.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sa oil nagtaas na naman sila. Hindi ba parang kasi latest sila parang nagtika yung oil company.
News capsule kung natanggap kanina, siyempre magbaba. I'll have to check. I'll have to check with the Secretary of Energy. Kasi parang yun ang unang-una kong news capsule actually natanggap today. At least one firm nagbaba. So, I'll have to check kung nagtaasan yung itong araw. But yung issue with the pricing, the DOE Secretary keeps on telling me that every time that they have been demonstrating the formula on how to arrive at, they've been very transparent to include even the militant transport groups are participants in how these prices are arrived at. Tapos sa amin ang monitor by everybody, especially BPI, kung merong unreasonable increases. But at the same time, the situation kasi where you have volatility, not just in a portion, but in so many portions of the oil-producing countries. So may effect doon, may effect doon sa other oil-producing countries in other regions. Na siyempre, sasabayan yung pagtaas ng presyo, yung uncertainty fuels speculation. So, yung besides yung Pantawid Pasada na programa natin, nanalo yata yung one of the banks that will be producing the smart card. So, hopefully, yung on schedule tayo by May 1, talagang puspusan na rin pinag-aaralan para ba natin maaabot yung magsasaka gumagamit ng makinarya, para natin maaabot yung mga mangingisda na hindi naman binibigyan ng prangkisa. Wala silang prangkisa. Yung control natin na para mapunta sa tamang mga tao to, madali sa transport dahil may mga prangkisa pinay nila.
Do you think the oil companies should open their financial books kasi hindi nag-explain sila di ba ng sa
That was my position ever since I've been in public service. But reasonable, bakit hindi pwede ipakita? Pero more than that, I keep telling the DOE nga, yung mukhang hindi, kailangan i-simplify nyo kung paano maintindihan yung proseso ng determination ng price. Mukhang maraming hindi nakakagit. No? Pero mapapakita doon, madedemonstrate kung tama o mali. And again, ang pabalik-balik na sagot sa akin, lahat ng sektor raw ay kabilang doon sa pagkukompute nga nila. Harap-harapan ko na tinatago sa kanila kung paano nakalive yung pump prices. Okay na ba?
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Gusto ko lang kong patiin si George Carino. Happy birthday. Hindi ko kami pwede sa Sabado nagluluksa pa. Monday pwede na po kami.
Thank you, Mr. President.